করোনা সারা বিশ্বে প্রায় আড়াই কোটির মতো লোক করোনা সংক্রমিত। এই 2.5 কোটির মধ্যে 1.5 কোটি লোক সুস্থ হয়ে ঘরে ফিরেছে। কিন্তু যে 80% যারা 2 সপ্তাহের মধ্যে ঘরে ফিরে হাসপাতাল থেকে ডিসচার্জ নিয়ে গেছে, আর বাকি 15 এবং 5% তাদের ক্ষেত্রে নানা জটিলতা দেখা দিচ্ছে। তাদের লাংসে যে কনসলিডেশন কিংবা আমরা সিটি স্ক্যানে যে গ্রাউন্ড গ্লাস এপিয়ারেন্সটা দেখি, এটা যদি মাইল্ড হয় সেক্ষেত্রে এই রোগীগুলো ক্ষেত্রে কমপ্লিকেশন খুব একটা দেখতে পাওয়া যায় না। কিন্তু যাদের সিভিয়ার কনসলিডেশন ইভেন এআরডিএস থেকে বেঁচে এসেছে, এই রোগীগুলোর লাংসে ফাইব্রোসিস দেখা যাচ্ছে। অতীতে 10 বছর আগে অ্যান্টিফাইব্রেটিক ড্রাগ পাওয়া যেত না, আসার কথা যে এখন আমরা অ্যান্টিফাইব্রেটিক ড্রাগ যেহেতু বাজারে আমাদের দেশেও পাওয়া যাচ্ছে, আমরা অ্যান্টিফাইব্রেটিক ড্রাগ এবং এই রোগীগুলোর শ্বাসকষ্ট হয়, এই শ্বাসকষ্টের জন্য অক্সিজেন, যদি রোগী হাসপাতালে আসে অক্সিজেন, বাসায় অক্সিজেন আমরা অ্যাডভাইস করে থাকি। আর রোগী, এই সমস্ত রোগী, যে সমস্ত রোগীর জটিলতা দেখা দেয়, এই সমস্ত রোগীদের আমরা বলি যে আপনারা অন্তত 3 মাস আপনার চিকিৎসকের পরামর্শে থাকবেন। মাসে অন্তত 4টি ভিজিট করবেন। যদি সম্ভব হয় নতুন করে একটি এক্স-রে, একটি সিটি স্ক্যান এবং পালমোনারি ফাংশন টেস্ট নিয়ে চিকিৎসকের সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ রাখবেন। এই 3টি মাস আপনাদের জন্য গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, মোটেই এটা অবহেলা করবেন না। বিশেষ করে যাদের কোমরবিডিটি রয়েছে, যাদের অ্যাজমা, সিওপিডি, এগুলো কোমরবিড কন্ডিশন রয়েছে, তাদের তো অবশ্যই শ্বাসকষ্ট হলে অবশ্যই আপনারা আপনাদের চিকিৎসকের সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করবেন অথবা হাসপাতালে ভর্তি হবেন। আর বাসায় যদি থাকেন, আপনাদেরকে রোগীদের আমরা যেটা বলে থাকি যে আপনারা বাসায় অক্সিজেন সিলিন্ডার সহ একটি পালস অক্সিমিটার সঙ্গে রাখবেন। আপনার নিজের অক্সিজেন স্যাচুরেশনটা বাসায় নিজেই দেখবেন। যদি অক্সিজেন স্যাচুরেশন কমে যায় সেক্ষেত্রে আপনার চিকিৎসকের কাছে যাবেন অথবা যে কোনো হাসপাতালে যোগাযোগ করে ভর্তি হবেন। আর আজকে পালমোনারি রিহ্যাবিলিটেশন সেন্টার মানে নতুন করে করা উচিত, যে এই পোস্ট কোভিড রোগীগুলো যেগুলো কমপ্লিকেশন, যেমন ফাইব্রোসিস, যাদের ফাইব্রোসিস হয়েছে, লাং ফাইব্রোসিস, আসলে এই ফাইব্রোসিস থেকে এটা এখান থেকে ক্যান্সারও হতে পারে। এই ফাইব্রোসিসটা এখনো যেমন টিউবারকুলোসিসের ক্ষেত্রে যে ফাইব্রোসিস হয়, এই ফাইব্রোসিসে আসলে এটা লাইফ লং থেকে যায়। কিন্তু কোভিডের কারণে যে ফাইব্রোসিস হচ্ছে, এই ফাইব্রোসিস নিয়ে এখনো গবেষণা চলছে। এটা কতদিন পারসিস্ট করবে এটা ভবিষ্যতে বলে দেবে যে এই ফাইব্রোসিস কোন অবস্থায় কিরকম আকার ধারণ করবে। তবে করোনা কিংবা কোভিড, করোনা শব্দটি বোধহয় ক্রনিক একটা ডিজিজ প্রসেস। করোনা শব্দের অর্থে ক্রনিক। এই ফাইব্রোসিস যদি ক্রনিক হয়, আরেকটি ফাইব্রোসিস, অনেকগুলো ডিজিজ রয়েছে, যেমন ইডিওপ্যাথিক পালমোনারি ফাইব্রোসিস।
আজকের বিষয়টা হচ্ছে লাং ক্যান্সার কোভিডের। এই সম্বন্ধে যদি আপনি কিছু বক্তব্য থাকে প্লিজ বলেন। করোনা সম্বন্ধে বলার কোনো ছোট না। কথা বুঝছেন আমার?
আমি
প্লিজ ডোন্ট ওয়েস্ট
আমি
ইওর
তো
টাইম, প্লিজ
স্যার
ডোন্ট
আমি তো
ওয়েস্ট ইওর টাইম।
ইয়া
আপনার যদি ক্যান্সার সম্বন্ধে ক্যান্সার লাং সম্বন্ধে কিছু বক্তব্য থাকে তাহলে
ধন্যবাদ
বলেন প্লিজ দয়া করে।
ধন্যবাদ স্যার
ওকে
Sir,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Thank you.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ
Thank
Thank you very much.
Ayan, for your nice presentation. Next, our very much special guest from Kolkata, Dr. P.N. Mohapatra. He is the Director, Medical Oncology, Apollo New Hospital, Kolkata. Please carry on your lecture. Okay? Very well.
Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
Hey, at last, at last.
At last, no, sir. Okay. Good.
You are looking very fresh.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, huh? I don't know what
No,
everything what happened.
you see,
Hello?
among us, Mohapatra, among us have our chairman, my teacher, and ex-director Cancer Institute, and director Manus Cancer Hospital, also MAI. He is sharing this today's session.
Okay. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Hello,
Yes, you
can
are
you hear
audible.
me?
Yes, you are audible. Please start your talk.
Can you give me to share screen or you can share screen, sir?
Okay.
You can share your screen.
Okay. Mohapatra, your slide is in front of you.
When it's not visible, sir, you just give me to share or you share, sir, from there.
ওয়াইদুল্লাহ, তুমি এটা ফাউন্ডেশনের স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতেছো, তোমরা এই ফোনটা বন্ধ করো, স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে দাও।
You can speak here in one way, okay? No need to use slide, you see.
Okay,
Thomas-
you can share also, sir. If you want, you can share also.
You can, okay, I can, but it is a very much long, 44 slide. How I can?
Actually, my computer is not allowing, sir. You are not allowing to share my screen, actually.
Okay, in front of, okay. Difficult to do.
You have to allow me, sir, to share screen.
I don't know. Dr. Mahapatra,
Uh,
do you listen me?
yes, sir.
You tell your own way, okay? No need to use slide. Maybe about medical oncology, treatment of medical oncology, okay?
Hello.
You call me there, okay?
Can you see my slides, sir?
We are seeing.
No, not yet. No, not yet. We cannot
yet.
see.
No. Then no need to see slide, okay? You tell your own way. Moral, yeah?
Oh. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
You tell.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes,
I don't know. I don't
You
know.
are
It's not. When it's not possible to share. I don't know why.
You carry on your lecture, okay?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Among us, there are many expert panelists from USA, from various medical professor of various medical college of Bangladesh.
Sir, it is actually a difficult time for everybody. Mane for which whatever cancer it may be. Now,
Okay.
so actually, for Bangladesh, for India, everybody. Actually, lung cancer, what actually, if it would have been sharing these slides, it would have been okay. But what we are doing during COVID situation, we are not discontinuing the treatment of lung cancers actually. Especially we have the priority areas where to whom to treat, where to treat, because what happened this time now, I got a award in Economic Times as a India's 20 oncologist as a inspiring oncologist. What I told in this that is actually corona may go, corona we may be vaccine, corona may go, but cancer will stay. Hello, hello,
Hello,
hello.
okay.
Cancer will stay actually. Cancer will be staying. And what happened in the COVID time, lot of patient actually didn't came, and we lost lot of patient. Hello.
Yes, yes, okay.
We lost lot of patient because of COVID also. So, but still we have to treat. If we have to treat lung cancer, we actually follow the guidelines of the ESMO actually, what to treat. It is a early lung cancer or a locally advanced lung cancer or a advanced lung cancer. If it is a oral tablet, if it is a EGFR inhibitors, if it is the ALK inhibitors, we infrequently review them. But if it is a chemotherapy, we give chemotherapy. Actually, we didn't hesitate giving chemotherapy. We use sufficient GCSF, and in between, we don't want patient to come to the hospital. And we actually in the hospital also we followed the typical rule in social distancing, less attendance, and still it's a COVID pandemic. It is difficult actually. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Carry on.
for anything your experience, sir. What is about Bangladesh? Let's discuss actually. What is actually in Bangladesh? What's happening?
Uh,
What is happening in Bangladesh, sir?
sir, please
Dr.
you answer.
Farooq, are you here? Dr. Farooq, are you here?
Hello, yes.
Dr. Farooq, are you here?
Yes,
Can you
Assalamu
say,
alaikum, sir.
please say something about our Bangladesh situation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I can't enter through the video, but I can hearing everyone. Though I'm late in the program, but I'm trying to answer the question where our counterpart, Mr. Mohapatra, was telling about or asking about the situation in Bangladesh. Yes, we followed the different protocols of the international organization, and finally what we do, we match or we accommodate all the protocols of different international organizations, and from Bangladesh Society of Radiation Oncologists and Bangladesh Cancer Society, we made a protocol through which we could manage our patients, all cancer patients, and especially lung cancer patients in COVID situation. Initially, we were in a setback situation where we couldn't have our patient very frequently because they were afraid of coming from their homes, and we also discouraged to come because there are some similarities of the lung cancer shallow or the lesions in the X-rays and CT scan, and as well as the COVID patients who are suffering from lung problems. So it was a very difficult initial to isolate which one is a COVID patient or whether this is a new case of cancer patients. But finally, after 2 or 3 months, we were in right track to accommodate our patients, and particularly in what was saying by Mohapatra that oral formulation of drugs were initially we gave our patient through our email or WhatsApp or online management. And whenever the situation a bit was cooled down, then we started as usual our chemo protocols, intravenous chemo protocols to our patients. Regarding radiotherapy, initially where the facilities were available of radiotherapy, particularly in National Institute of Cancer Research Hospital in Dhaka Medical College and in our private setting, we tested our patients where they are COVID positive or not. If they are COVID negative, then we started our radiotherapy immediately. But the situation where the emergency radiotherapy has to be given, then we started radiotherapy without doing even the COVID test. But regarding surgical intervention, only the surgery was performed to those patients who are really we could offer in curative intent. So we could do surgery for those patients. But where the situation is for palliation, so we didn't encourage them to do in such a situation. And another group of people who were in what I say a follow-up situation, we didn't allow to come to us. We asked them to stay home, and we advised them to do some relevant investigations at nearby hospitals or the clinics, and they send their reports to our online approaches. And by seeing those reports, we advised accordingly. So initially the situation was not in our control, but for the last 2 months, it was almost the number of patients were increasing, and new cases were coming, and even the follow-up cases are coming. So we could manage the situation very smartly. At least I should say with some few words with the answer of Mohapatra's question. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Gulamuddin Farooq. Now, sir, with the permission, sir, USA, our USA news editor, Sakautashan Selim Bhai, please, you can address something for us too. Your patient and first lady is affected by with the coronavirus. You see, you tell about that. Selim Bhai, are you listening me? আপনি শুনছেন? Selim Chap? Hello? Hello? Hello, Selim Bhai? Mr. Selim? I'm on Dr. Kamaluddin. He tell something, huh? Dr. Kamaluddin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir.
Hi, sir, to last time comment for me.
জি আসসালামু আলাইকুম
The chairman.
জি বাকি ভাই অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ
Very audible.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে সেলিম ভাই বলেন
জি
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I am audible. Thank you very much.
Yes, you are audible. Please continue.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Bangladesh Cancer Society and Professor Obadullah Baki, Ferdowsi Foundation, Cancer Foundation, for organizing this nice seminar on lung cancer during COVID situation. And my teacher, respected Professor Haiser, is here, and my colleagues from Bangladesh and experts from abroad are also here. So we are going through a very serious condition, that is the endemic condition with COVID. So for making any decision, we take consideration of the COVID situation. As Professor Gulamuddin Farooq stated, I am agreed with him that the condition is improving in Bangladesh. Also in Sylhet, we are treating the cancers, especially lung cancer patients and other cancer patients with chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and palliative care. So still we are concerned about the COVID situation. We are taking in consideration of the symptoms of the COVID. If any patients presents some symptoms of COVID, then we refer them for COVID test. If it comes negative, we are continuing our treatments. If the reports are coming positive, then we are holding treatment for the time being till the symptoms disappears or the patient becomes negative of COVID. So I think this session will be very fruitful for all of us for exchanging our views. Thank you very much. Thank you, Professor Mullah Ubadullah Baki, sir, and Professor Amiahai, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Professor Kamaluddin, for your nice presentation. Lastly, I am telling there is a declaration. You see, 5th October of this month, 5th October, day after tomorrow, at 8 p.m. we had a Global Cancer Institute tumor board. We'll discuss about Anjana and follow-up case to that meeting. Please, we are inviting you to attend that meeting. I will send you the link. Okay. Selim Bhai, are you hear me?
Ji.
Please, you tell something about us.
Uh,
You are always with us. You see, Lesson News Media as a media partner, you are very active. You see. Okay.
অনেক ধন্যবাদ যুক্তরাষ্ট্র থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ এই সুন্দর আয়োজনের জন্য যারা যুক্ত হয়েছেন যারা সুন্দর বিষয়গুলো উপস্থাপন করেছেন আশা করি অনেকে আমাদের এই মহামারী কালে সবাই উপকৃত হবেন তো এই আমাদের আয়োজনটি আমাদের ওবায়দুল্লাহ বাকি ভাই ডাক্তার ওবায়দুল্লাহ বাকি ভাই অনেক পরিশ্রম করে সুন্দর আয়োজন করেননি আগেও বেশ কয়েকটি প্রোগ্রাম হয়েছে অত্যন্ত সুন্দর সফল অনুষ্ঠান আয়োজন সবাই উপকৃত হবেন এবং আজকের এই যে অনুষ্ঠানটি আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন লাইভ ইউএসসি নিউজ অনলাইনের ফেসবুকে লাইভ দেখা যাচ্ছে এবং পরবর্তীতে ইউএসসি নিউজ অনলাইন ইউটিউব চ্যানেলও দেখা যাবে এবং আমাদের এখানে একটা টিভি মিলেনিয়াম টিভি সেখানেও আপনাদের প্রোগ্রামগুলো দেখানো হয় আপনাদের সবাইকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ
থ্যাংক ইউ ভাই আপনি সারা বিশ্বে বাংলাদেশের কার্যক্রম তুলে ধরছেন বাংলাদেশ ক্যান্সার সোসাইটি এবং ধন্যবাদ আপনাকে এই আমাদের মাঝে ডাক্তার সারা উপস্থিত হয়েছে সারা প্লিজ কিছু কমেন্ট করতে হবে
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity in this session. There is our several experts in this session. I am very much happy and feel obliged to you to give me the opportunity with my senior teachers and also colleagues. I have heard, I cannot heard all the sessions because of my some emergency work. Anyway, we have understand the lung cancer and scenario in case of COVID-19 states, particularly Dr. Tanvi Shahid. He elaborated the role of radiotherapy and the policy that are adopted in case of COVID-19 situation very clearly. So we should follow the ESTRO and ASTRO guideline regarding the management of lung cancer in this. And we also heard some important aspect from Dr. Abu Raihan regarding anti-fibrotic drug and also he feels that we need the pulmonary rehabilitation center in Bangladesh, and it is I should give the information to all that in the meantime, and post-COVID complication clinic has been started in BSMMO. So there is very important center because he mentioned regarding the lung complications as well as non-pulmonary complications, post-COVID complications. So we have seen in many ways that there is some long-lasting and very unacceptable sequel of the COVID-19, including pulmonary complications. Hopefully, they will be resolved by the some measures and counseling and steps by pulmonary rehabilitation center if it's created. Thank you, and Dr. Prabhajaya Malpatro, he stated about the medical oncological aspect or chemotherapy aspect of lung cancer in case of COVID-19 stage. Thank you, him. Thank you, sir, again for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you, Professor Saralam, Chairman, Oncology Department, Bangladesh Medical Institute. We are at the end of our session. At last, you see, I told that Professor Imhai is a very reputed, nationally internationally reputed oncologist. He is our teacher. He is a creator of everything of oncology in Bangladesh. I will request sir to comment your valuable opinion.
Thank you, Professor Wajidullah. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Great organization, Badullah has organized webinars about lung cancer management in the COVID era. Lung cancer management itself is a difficult thing, everybody knows it. Dr. Tanvir Shahid has very nicely described management of lung cancer by radiotherapy. They describe the guidelines given by ASTRO and ASTRO. Very nicely described and given guidelines particularly for us. Nice lecture. Thank you very much. Heartfelt thanks to Dr. Reith. Raju Salekin has also tried to give some knowledge about the surgery that going on in Bangladesh, also in other places. And Dr. Mahapatro, because of his technical problem, couldn't speak nicely, but he has given us some ideas about the medical oncological management of cancer. And Abu Rayhan, he has said about the situation of COVID situation in Bangladesh and also what we are going to cope with this situation. My thanks to everybody, particularly Dr. Farooq, Dr. Sarwar, Dr. Kamal for giving their views about this situation. It's time now, I think we are done. Why this speech is Wadil Baki try to conclude this. Wadil can conclude this session.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah, please. Sir, I have a declaration later after your conclusion, sir. Sir, you can conclude, sir.
Okay, my company, I have already concluded my lecture.
Oh, sir, I have a declaration that we know October month is the breast cancer awareness month. We will going to arrange like this, nationally or internationally like this, a seminar on awareness of breast cancer month within 10 days. Okay, we will invite you again. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for participating in our today's seminar, today's Zoom meeting or evening's meeting. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Thank you,
Sir,
everybody.
assalamu alaikum.
Thank you all.
Well, everybody, goodbye. Bye bye.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Uh,
Bye bye, everybody.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.